What is going on, y'all? This is me, Alex, again. I'm over here at the Flying J on I-80 exit 179. We grab a bunch of fuel here and head on to South Dakota. Still gotta go pick up the trailer, but I figure fuel now, pick up the trailer, and on my way. Yeah, let's fuel. What is going on, people? Over here on US Highway 83. About 38 miles from Valentine, Nebraska. Going to South Dakota. South Dakota. To a Walmart. This is my last run. This is my last run of helping the Walmart dedicated. The only reason I was here is because I have that event on Sunday. Very special family event for me. So I have to be there. After this load, you know, I'll be back tomorrow to the terminal, to the DC at North Platte. And then from there, they're gonna give me a load to Lincoln or what. Whatever it is, I'm gonna be home on Saturday. Yep. This is Nebraska. It's weird. Super windy. Rainy. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but shoot. Kind of dying down a little bit though. It's just like, man, blowing me from side to side, man. And I'm heavy too. I got 11,600 on my steers, 32,000 on the drives, and 32,000 on the trailer. So pretty good. They were still trying to kick my butt. Yep. Wind is no joke. Remember that too for the rookie drivers. If it's windy and you don't feel comfortable or you're empty, pull over and wait until the wind is done, because you're gonna end up in the ditch if you don't. I'm telling you, I see so many people. I see people roll over in front of me. It's crazy. That wind is no joke. I like coming over here, man. Clears your mind, relaxes your mind, you know. Houses, no, I mean, there is the little houses for the ranchers and stuff like that. That's it. I remember last December I went to South Dakota. I was going to North Dakota, and they had that blizzard. Man, it was good, you know. I was doing good. It was still raining, and I knew it was gonna snow, but the next day. And it started snowing earlier, and the rain became ice. Next thing you know, my trailer was kind of sliding to the ditch a little bit, so I had to like speed up a little bit to straighten it out. Then I pull over the shoulder and chain up there. By the time I was chained up, it was pure ice. I still went up on the hill. Made it to Kadoka, South Dakota, and then they had that 90 was already closed there. 90, there was nowhere to go. So yeah, so I got stuck in Kadoka, South Dakota for 5 days, man. That December blizzard, it was bad. It was, but they didn't open until after the 5th day. That's when they opened the goddamn highway, and I finished my delivery in North Dakota. Got out of here. But yeah, that was the first time that I got shut down because of the winter. This winter was bad, guys. And the other time, 3 times I got shut down because of bad weather. Actually, 2 times in Wyoming. one before I got to Cheyenne, over there by Rawlins, the road was icy, completely ice. So they had it shut down for that. That one I was only there for like maybe, I want to say, 12 hours. And then the next time it was better. It was just like 6 hours. And got it going again. But yeah, 3 times I was shut down for bad weather this winter. So, I mean, it was bad, but you know, it wasn't that bad to me, I guess, because I only was shut down for three times for the bad weather. But yeah, man, it's dangerous out there, man. It's bad. I mean, if you don't feel comfortable, like I said, you know, just find a place to park and wait it out. That's the best way to do it, you know. Be safe, especially if you are a new driver, you know. I mean, it's a good experience to learn, you know. That's how I learned. I drove slow, really slow, you know, and I still do. Doesn't matter, you know. You got trucks behind you, you know, let it pass you, you know. They're the ones that are gonna end up in the ditch trying to go fast in bad weather. Don't worry about it. You just drive your speed that you feel safe, and that's the best way to do it. Yeah. Construction too. Now that is we're getting close to summer, we're gonna start seeing a lot of construction. You know, you gotta watch your speed, watch your distance, be defensive. You know, be a real defensive driver, because there's a lot of people that they don't care and they're always on their phone. They're not paying attention. So you have to pay attention and watch out for them. Because otherwise you're gonna end up in an accident, or there's a lot of people, you know, that they're just trying to get hit by a truck driver so they can get the insurance involved and shit like that. But yeah, you don't want that to happen. Yeah, be careful on the construction. 11 more miles and not be at that Walmart. I'm gonna shut it down there too, because they got this thing, you know, when they do the Walmart dedicated, they have a window where you can deliver. So this, I got 2 Walmarts to deliver. And they got it set from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. tomorrow. So I can't deliver this Walmart until tomorrow at 9:01. And then after that, they're getting 9 pallets. Then my second one, they get 21 pallets. And then back to the DC in North Platte. This is my last run. Then from there, they're probably gonna give me a little one, a short one, and I go home. Go home, guys. Yeah. I really enjoy driving. You know, I think I was born to drive because I don't get tired. I drive and drive. But you don't have to kill yourself either. Because if you do, you know, you're gonna get tired and you're gonna get bored and you're gonna get sick of it, and then you're not gonna be a truck driver anymore. Like that. Enjoy your time out here. You know, drive 500 miles. Sometimes you have to drive 600, a little bit more. You know, it depends if you want to get that load, you know, or the load has to deliver that day or whatever you're trying to deliver it. You know, but yeah, take it easy, do your reset, enjoy your time. You know, when you do your reset, find a nice truck stop, you know, that they have places around there, you know, so that way you don't need all that fast food from the truck stop. Go places, go to restaurants, take an Uber, go to the mall. You know, enjoy your life. Enjoy your time out here. You know, it's a sacrifice, you know. But it's a good sacrifice because you know you do it for your family. You know, my motivation is my wife and my kids. You know, that was the motivation that I had when I first decided to go trucking, you know. I really wanted my wife to true. You know, being a stay-at-home mother, you work hard. You gotta do a lot of things. You know, she gotta take them to the doctor, pick them up, take them to school, pick them up from school, activities, and all that stuff. It's hard. Plus, you got to cook and everything for the kids. You know? So every time I get home, you know, I try to check everything in the house, make sure everything is working properly, and that way she doesn't have any issues when I'm gone. Yeah. Yeah, but I love trucking, guys. It's nice. You see a lot of different places, a lot of different people. You know, you don't see the same people every day, and you know what? I experimented almost in every state that I go. Everybody's nice, you know? Except for the receivers and shippers. Some people are like really don't like their job. They're really mad or stressed, I guess. Yeah, guys, getting ready to get to this Walmart and call it a night and deliver in the morning. We'll be here in I don't know how you pronounce it, Mitchell or Michelle, South Dakota. You correct me if I'm wrong, but that's where I'm delivering. That's the name of the town. Yeah, guys, well, see you later. What is going on, everybody? This is me, Alex, again with another video. This time I'm coming from South Dakota. Over here, I gotta show you guys something. I stopped here before a couple of times, you know. Today I'm running pretty good on time, so I have time to show you. But if you have the time, this is on I-90 going east, exit 265. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. This is beautiful. I love South Dakota. Even though in the winter we don't get along, but I still gotta come over here sometimes. But, you know, gotta do what you gotta do, man. When you're an OTR national, you go to every state. Doesn't matter where. It's all good, all money. But this is where I'm at. I see somebody behind me. There it is, where it is. Whoa. Let me flip this around so you guys can get a good look. Screamed it too, man. Jesus. Making some muscle driving these days. The wind is super strong. But ain't that beautiful? The statue of the dignity. Very nice. And you got the river over there. That's the Missouri River. Shoot. I should do a picnic here when it starts getting warmer a little bit, but right now it's like 39 degrees. You can bring your bike down here and go all the way down. Oh, this is nice, man. Look at that. But it's fun over there in the summer. Let's see if we can zoom this a little. There it is. Yeah, it's nice, man. Let's see over here on this side. Yeah. You see the river on that side too. Yeah, but it's a nice rest area. You got picnic tables and everything. So whenever you're gonna take a break, 30-minute break, or if you don't have no more time to drive, you can stop here. Or if you're not a truck driver and you you'll find the statue of the Disney. Alright guys. And we made it. And still windy. And we're gonna deliver in the morning. You gotta respect that window. When the COVID was around, we could deliver anytime, I think. I helped at when the COVID was going on. I helped like 2 weeks also, because they had a lot of things going to the stores, because you know everything was just getting empty super fast. So they needed more drivers to go help to supply the Walmarts. And now since supposedly everything is back to normal, then we got a window. That window is from lived at DC today, you know, and the next day is the delivery between 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. So yeah, guys, well, I'm here and about to go get something to eat and watch a movie and then go to sleep and deliver in the morning, and on to the next one. And I'm very excited. Hopefully everything is good and I don't encounter any bad weather, so I can make it home on Saturday. Well, you guys have a good one, and thank you for watching, and God bless.